Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am able to display you my modern PC build. We got Nvidia 3070 Inno 3D 3X fans that contains 8 GB with high performance budgeted card because currently 4000 series is launch and we can easily get 3070 Ti in cheaper price. Next we got Thunder Warrior case, contain 4 RGB fans including USB Type-C and 3.2 USB port. Next we got AOC curved monitor, 165Hz full gaming mode, 1 millisecond response rate. So next we have NVMe SSD NVMe 980 1 TB. Next we are using RGB RAMs, 2x total 16 GB of RAMs, Vanguard. And the next one we have is most important thing, CPU Ryzen 7 5800X, and also the motherboard which is B550 or as Lite V2 and 750 supply. So let's make a build and we'll show you how it's look. Here you can see my build is ready, up and running. I set up everything. Now you will see some video effects, and after that I will show you the gameplay of my PC. Also I will tell you the price of each component which I get. Now I will show you the gameplay of Forza 5. So let's see. I'm using Signal Pro for customize RGB's light. You can download it as a free. There is two versions, one is paid and one is free. I am using the free one. Paid one contains a lot of more themes of RGBs, but currently I am using the free one. Okay guys, at the end I will share you the prices of each component. The prices are in PKR, so if you are in other country you can convert it accordingly. Ryzen 7 5800X 57,000, Deepcool gamerz L360 18,500, Gigabyte B550 Euros Elite used 28,000, Corsair Pro RGB 16 GB 36 mHz 16,000, Nvidia RTX 3070 Ti 1,40,000, Samsung 980 1 TB NVMe 18,500, Corsair CX 750M 16,000, Thunder Warrior case 13,000, Redgron used 6,000. So these are the total prices of each item. The total cost which I got is 3 lakh PKR. If we convert into dollars then it's around $1,200 I think.